The Greater Jakarta train operator PT Kereta Api Commuter Line will price its tickets based on distance rather than number of stations passed starting April 1st. A train fare will cost 2,000 rupiah for the first 25 kilometres passed and another 1,000 for every additional 10. The President Director of Commuter Line, Muhammad Nurul Fadhil, says the new tariff will take effect on April 1st and responds to Transportation Ministry Regulation No. 17 of 2015 ordering the move. The Bogor Tanah Abang route, for example, will see a 500 rupiah increase to 5,000 rupiah, while Bogor to Jakarta Kota will remain 5,000 rupiah and Bekasi to Kota will fall to 3,000.
Berdasarkan kilometer tempuh, itu nanti di 25 km pertama, itu penumpang itu membayar 2.000. Terus 10 km berikutnya, jadi dari 0 sampai 10 km berikutnya dan berlaku kelipatannya, itu penumpang dikenakan